Welcome back everyone. In this video, we'll be replacing the handlebar assembly on the 2022 Apollo City. The only tool you'll need for this is a 4mm Allen key. So the first thing we'll need to do, we're going to be taking the handlebars off. To do that, we're going to use a 4mm Allen key to remove these two screws right here. That's one and two. The next step will be to remove our brake cables so we can pull our handlebar off. Now to remove the lines, what we'll need to do is loosen our adjustment screw, but if our brake lines are too tight, we can loosen the drum brake to release the tension. Just like this. We can now pull it from the bottom, just like that. And we'll repeat the process on the other side. Same thing on this side. We'll align this right here and pull the brake line out, just like that. The next step will be to gently pull the handlebar assembly off and disconnect our comm cable, just like this. The next step will be reconnect the comm cable, just like this, and reinsert the handlebars onto the stem. We can now take our brake line and reinsert it into the brake handle by passing the line into the holder right here. We then put it back in place and insert it into the adjustment screw as well. So we can tighten that and we're all set up. We can now put our stem screws back in, securing the handlebar in place. Now, after completing the repair, what we'll need to do is make sure all the components work. So we'll turn on the scooter. This is the first good sign. Next up, we can test the brakes. The sensor works perfectly. And lastly, we'll test the throttle. Works as well. We can even test the regen, and that works great as well. And lastly, we'll check if the headlight is working properly, and it's working as it should. And that's how you replace the handlebar assembly on the 2022 Apollo City.